Pia is in car. It's okay. We are going to probinsya for Christmas. Balik siya sa likod sila. Ilikod na yan ang putsakwa sa wala mo nili-ilom.
Kanang talinis mo ikuan.
You will not know what's coming to you. Pia is now
Kuya, ate isa.
While walking my Pokemon Elsa, we encountered a wild Pokemon, and weirdly, it looks exactly like her, just gender bent.
that's her twin, Elsa.
So, we went closer to start a battle.
No! No, 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 fuck. No, 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 Elsa! Come with me, come.
The Pokemon battle was short-lived, which means it's officially time for the Christmas run.
Ba, edit to jump na ako niya, pa-jump na ako na edit ka. Catfish. Ha? We're going to Prince Hardware. Palit ni Gatsby.
It's Christmas Day and the season of giving. It hit me that I actually haven't gotten the dogs anything yet, so I had this idea of creating them a doghouse.
Looking for sticks. Look how stable that is. Found a perfect stick. Got the spines.
And it's done. It might not look much, but I had fun making it, and my dogs certainly love it. It's our last day here in the province, so I'm doing one last early walk with Elsa right now. At first, I thought we were the only ones that are awake, but the Pokemon we met at day 1 is here too. And I'm still kinda stunned of the similarities they have. It's like they're carbon copies of each other. And as the sun rises, more dogs appeared, so we decided to go back. After breakfast, me and my dad were in water duties. And because flowing water can be hard to get in these parts, we went to get some from the well. My dad is probably used to getting water from the wells. This is actually my first time doing such tasks. So watch me as you see how a pro well doer does it.
Pislit ayaw ba? Pislit na ani ba? Aron mo gamay mo iyang tulo. Say hi to the say vlog to the hi.
Say vlog to the high. Say vlog to the high.
Yeah.
Na ang dog.
Isa.
Na. Say dog to the high.
Say vlog to the hi.
Tabi ko ng, uy, ang bininiit sa. Oh, fuck me.
Finishing the well task was no biggie, so we started the walk to the sea. And since our last stop, a quick ice cream run was definitely the move.
Got ice cream.
Watermelon.
Pineapple. Got Asia. Ito. Labang.
Even the locals wanted to say their goodbyes to us. Or at least this guy did. There's just something different about the vibe in the province versus the city. Life just feels it's had been slower here.
Pinanid ko sa Japan, no? Go, let's go.
Ending the trip here at the sea feels like the perfect wrap-up. This vacation will definitely be up there with the core memories. And I'm glad the dogs got to experience it too. If you put your heart into these moments, they really do last forever. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you'll be here for the next one. See ya!